The World Health Organization recently showed some shocking statistics about diabetes. 374 million people around the world have diabetes. In America, almost 10% of the population is diabetic. In the UK, it is around 5%. These statistics do not include the population that is pre-diabetic or do not realize they have diabetes. If you experience similar problems regarding diabetes, the following recipe will help you lower the blood sugar levels in just 5 days. Ingredients: 2 stalks organic celery, 1 organic green apple, 3 handle organic spinach, 2 organic carrots, 1 teaspoon organic turmeric root powder, 1 teaspoon organic ginger root. Instruction: first, wash the apple and carrots and remove the peel and seed from the apple. Blend all the ingredients in a blender until they combine. Consume this mixture every morning on an empty stomach, and your blood sugar will normalize. Prepare a fresh dose every time. Celery, it is loaded with potassium and magnesium, important substances for prevention and treatment of high blood pressure. Celery has been used as a natural therapy for many inflammatory diseases. It is a potent inflammatory and analgesic agent that reduces. Green apples. They are loaded with malic acid, a very effective substance in lowering blood sugar levels and risk of diabetes. So, 3 servings of apple juice per week will reduce the risk of diabetes by 7%. Spinach. Its health benefits are widely known due to the high amount of calcium, vitamin A, C, and beta-carotene. According to a research in Sweden, the nitrates in spinach reduce the amount of oxygen needed for energy. After consuming spinach, the muscles are more efficient and require less oxygen for producing energy. Carrots. Loaded with health-boosting antioxidants that are especially useful for preventing diabetes and vision issues in diabetics. The body converts the high level of beta-carotenes in vitamin A, which is important for the prevention of the type 2 diabetes. Ginger. This spice can lower blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. According to a new study by researchers from Said Sadouhi University of Medical Sciences in Joaz, Iran, researchers aren't exactly sure how ginger works to lower blood sugar. It's possible that it inhibits hepatic phosphorylase, an enzyme that breaks down glucose storage molecules called glycogen. Turmeric. This ancient Indian spice may provide an ideal drug alternative to treating and perhaps even preventing type 2 diabetes. One study reviewed research published between 1998 and 2013 that indicates the active polyphenol in turmeric, known as curcumin, may provide an ideal intervention for type 2 diabetes, capable of mitigating characteristic pathophysiological hallmarks of the disease such as elevated blood sugar and insulin resistance.